Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, stop you have files waiting to be burned to disk pop up on Windows 11, 10. Right-click Start button, click Run, type shell command cd burning. Simply delete all files and folders. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.